Were you anticipating the sort of response that the promo of KGF has received in the Hindi belt?
Definitely we were expecting a very good response, but this has crossed our expectation, but it's gone beyond our expectation. They have taken it very well. So I'm happy that even you liked the trailer. So
I loved it. I absolutely freaked out.
So that shows that this has got an universal appeal which everybody is liking.
Okay, and the fact that it is based in Mumbai, that makes it, I think, tailor-made for the Hindi audience as well in many ways.
That's an added advantage we have.
Okay, so I believe the shooting process was a bit tough. I believe your set was, I think, destroyed by some rains in June 2017, from what I understand.
Yes.
So please tell us the process of shooting for it.
It was very difficult for us to shoot in that particular location because it was not shooting friendly, and again the place what we chose was the exact Kolar coal fields,
right?
Where the mining had happened. So the deposits, whatever the processed soil, there we had to put this that huge set, and which was not very easy for us to do it, and I think our whole team struggled a lot to put it up. At the same time, it was a very high place. So and we have seen all the seasons there because we shot for 2 years. So sometimes we witnessed heavy winds, heavy rainfall. So it got destroyed again and again, like 2 or 3 times. But because our art director was so good, he was one person who said, "You don't worry about that. You keep shooting this block, I'll get it done again." So we have done it again and again, and even producer had to spend a lot of money. But finally, I think we have cracked something because we didn't depend on VFX much. We wanted to give that realistic touch.
Correct.
So we maximum shots what have been shown in the trailer are realistic shots. Only very minimal VFX we have used. So that gives a very realistic approach and good this thing. So we had a very tough time shooting there. And again, the soil there is not a very good this thing because they use cyanide to process the gold.
Wow.
So people were scared. मतलब उतना दिन shoot करना 1-2 दिन वहाँ पे people shoot there for 3 days 4 days. That's fine for song, but if you're shooting for such a long time, I don't think it is a good idea to shoot there. So and it was not a even place to put a set. So we were scared that even extras, because there was massive crowd.
Okay.
When 2,000 people are working on set, कुछ भी हो सकता है. You cannot keep eye on everybody. So we made sure everybody were insured.
Right.
And it was very tough, and it used to be very hot. And we didn't even have slippers, footwear. And the extras used to run away from shoot. Initially they used to come happily saying, "Okay, KGF, we want to be part of it." And a lot of my fans generally, they get along, they come into sets as extras because they want to spend time.
Right.
So all of them were really excited, but they used to run away after one day. It used to be so tough. Then finally we had to hire few people to take care of extras. Right. Ki wo bhag na jaye. So we didn't want them to run away. And that literally happened. We have seen a lot of people running away. So next day when it used to be like, okay, today we have 1,500. Tomorrow we would have planned a scene. In the morning we used to check, then there used to be only 800, 700 artists. So then we had to again quickly find for some other people. And initially we used all Bangalore actors, extra artists. After that, nobody was ready to come. If we have a schedule break, nobody was ready to come. Then we had to go for Mysore. It's a close.
Yeah, you shot in Mysore as well.
Yeah, so we have to get from Mysore. Then we went to north of our Karnataka, where people didn't even know what is happening. They used to come. Later, we had to go for other states to get extras.
My God.
Because everybody was not willing to come. They were like really scared. बहुत मुश्किल है यार कौन काम करता है उधर. So it was such a tough thing, difficult process. But we loved it. We were motivated. जो हम बना रहे थे. So the kind of film what we were making, we were very happy, and we were very confident. So that helped us to keep going.
And I believe it's a period film. That must have been tougher as well.
No, that was fun. It was not tough. Yes, of course, for art director and for my director, they had to take care of every shot. It has to look like it was set in 80s. Yes, it was a little tough. But for me, it was fun because to wear those bell-bottom pants or to have that kind of 80s angry young man attitude, all of that I really enjoyed.
Did you have any reference points like Mr. Bachchan or?
Yeah, all Salim Javed Saab's films and Amitabh Ji's film. Okay. So we all have grown up or fascinated by 70s Hindi cinemas.
Right.
So that influence is, of course, it's there with all of us. And my director is a huge fan of Amitabh Bachchan and a huge fan of 70s film.
Right.
So all that came in and I was enjoying it.
You're saying KGF Chapter 1, so obviously you are looking at a sequel as well.
Yes.
So in a way, is it by any chance inspired by the success of Bahubali by any chance, or?
We are definitely inspired by Bahubali's success, but having said that, it is not like because of Bahubali we are making 2 parts, or because of Bahubali we are getting into Hindi. It is not that. We wanted to make a big film in our industry, because comparatively people used to say Kannada is a small industry, in which I used to hate, because no industry is small or big. The people who work there make it big or
Absolutely.
make it small. So I always used to believe that it has got huge potential, and there are wonderful filmmakers in my industry, there are wonderful actors in my industry, and it's a wonderful industry. So I wanted to take that and show to rest of the world what our industry is. So I wanted to make a big film. I wanted to make something like where everybody says, yes, they have done, they know their craft, and they have done an amazing job. So it was planned for Kannada industry, we invested so much, but it got bigger and bigger. And as we started shooting, we realized that there are a lot of other scope. We can add some more scenes, some more drama can be held here. And the script was, demanding, and we thought we were rushing in few places. So we realized that we will make an elaborate this thing. We will tell the story how it should be told. Let it take 2 parts, it doesn't matter. And we knew that people are going to compare this. Initially we might even look like copycats when you announce part 2 thing, but it is not that it just happened with Bahubali. It's an international formula. See, there are a lot of films which comes in 3 parts also.
Right.
So that will be planned before only. So that gives you a scope for introducing new characters, having small appearances in this part, and those characters will become in next part. So all those things was helping the product, helping the movie. So we decided to go for a sequel, and which I think is the best decision what we have taken, because the kind of response what we have given, now part 2 we are going to make it huge, bigger than this. People are saying this is big. So, and of course in the trailer whatever they have seen, they have just seen a glimpse of KGF. The world of KGF is much bigger than what they have seen in trailer.
Okay.
And chapter 2 will be even more bigger.
It's a very interesting thing that the South film industry, the way they are, the Telugu, the Tamil, the Kannada film industry, the Malayalam, the fact is that they have certain limited number of screens, but the movies, they tend to have big budgets. They do a lot of good business, in spite of the fact that, say, Telugu film is mostly releasing in Telugu. Some films they release in other languages as well, dubbed versions. But say Kannada, mostly the films that have worked as far as you are concerned, they release in the Kannada belt, but still they do very well. What is it that makes these films such a big success?
See, that's because people
in spite of less screens.
People are there ready to watch your film. They will be waiting for your film.
Right.
So here in Hindi, it is all about numbers. So that they do it in 2 weeks or 3rd week max. But there, even today, movies go up to 50 days. Matlab in that buzz, in that craze, it can go up to 100 days also. We even have a 175 days movie. I have a movie which has run for 250 days also.
Wow.
So that is because if you have 100 theaters,
Right.
and there are lakhs of audience, they will wait, but they will watch it. It's not that they have to watch it on the first day. Here, when you have number of screens, all that 1 lakh people will watch it within 1 week or 2 weeks. But there, it will be divided into 10 weeks. So, but they will watch because we have such a fan base. There, the business is so huge because people are like really connected to their stars, and they know what they are doing. They will have every information, and we have a fixed audience. That's why they call them stars. Whoever does that is called star because his market is fixed. It can go beyond that if the movie is good. But even if it falls, no, it won't fall drastically. They would even watch it once because just to show that our hero's market is good. There are so many instances where a film run, even if it is not good, people won't let us down because they know we would have put an effort and we would have made some, with good intention only we make cinemas.
We also keep on hearing these stories that there's a strict control on piracy in the southern film industry, as you spoke about the fan loyalty part. Because of that, fans prefer to actually go in the theatres, buy the tickets and watch it. Say in Bollywood, the fact is that everyone watches it, but a lot of it is watched in pirated forms. That affects the business in a big way. In spite of the big number of screens, the business reaches a certain level, and a lot of people, they are watching it for free or like watching it on pirated versions. What is it that makes people come in the theater? You spoke about the loyalty part of it, but still, do you find it a very unique phenomenon in a way?
No, I think it's a different experience. The people who are addicted to that kind of an experience in theater, big screen experience, they wouldn't prefer to watch it on pirated version. The people who watch on pirated version, I don't think they're movie fans. So even then, if it is not in the pirated thing, they would have not watched the movie. The person who likes the movie or who's addicted to that kind of an experience would never prefer to watch on pirated version. So I don't actually think that pirated version will make a huge difference. But yes, of course, for families, few families, they would come to theater, but when they get it on pirated version, they do watch it and they leave it there. That will affect the pocket of producer. So that is not right, because they would have put so much effort, they would have worked so hard. And forget about the revenue part. I wouldn't want my my audience to watch it on pirated version. See, even TV, I don't like it, because this should be experienced in theater. Because a lot of magic, it happens in theater when everybody come together. See, theater is one place where I believe whole country comes together, irrespective of the religion, irrespective of the caste, irrespective of their mindset. They just come together and get into that world. So that's a very sacred place for me. I feel that is the best place where, it's bigger than temple to me. Because people come with right mindset. They don't see who is there in the screen, which religion he belongs to. We have seen actors performing roles which they don't belong to that religion, but people accept it. And a lot of times, see, for example, they don't know who I am. In my industry, when I came, I was a newcomer, I was nobody. But they loved me. They just going to see what is happening on that screen. So if they like me, then I'll be a star. No matter who I am, where I come from, which religion I belong to. So likewise, cinema has got its own magic. So nobody should watch it in pirated version, is what I feel. You should always watch it in theater, and that becomes a very important thing for me. So that's their loss if they are watching in.
Because you say that everyone comes in the theaters and to watch it. So as far as Mumbai is concerned, everyone who's traveling in Mumbai local trains is watching it in pirated forms on their mobile phones when they're traveling. So that is hugely unfortunate.
But do you think they would have watched it in theater if that was not come? Because we have 100 crores.
It's very easily available. You know, the day a movie releases, it's available on your mobile phones and people are sharing it. Free of cost, they're sharing it, which is hugely unfortunate, and little is done to just curb piracy.
Sometimes I feel even if my movie is pirated, I feel at least a good version should be released. If it is happening, I have to stop it. But still, I want people to experience good cinema, have a good cinema experience. Right. But mobile and TV, that is not cinema. You have a lot of other options. They can watch serials, they can watch digital content. There are a lot of Netflix or Amazon, a lot of movies that you should enjoy. But cinema should be enjoyed in cinema. That's why we are making these kind of cinemas. So it is different from all of that. So you enjoy it in theater.
Absolutely. The commendable part is that so many films on Mumbai underworld have already been made, but still for a promo to create that impact with a feel which is that something totally new in a way, that is commendable, because there have been so many films on underworld, even the early like 60s and 70s, Kareem Lala and Haji Mastan and all those factors, Mudaliar. So, but still to just create that impact in terms of something new, I think that is surely commendable. So
Hindi films must have seen that kind of movies with that backdrop, but this is very unique, and it is not just whatever you have seen in trailer. We had to tell a small story, so we just made them realize what it is. But there is much more than that. There is a lot of entertainment, there is fun, there is glamour, there is comedy. So cinema is a package. So we have packed it so well. When you see it, you will have everything else. It's not just about underworld, and it's not about slavery. It is not just about this. So there are much more. There are much more drama. There are a lot of heroic dialogues, punchlines.
Wow.
So it is a very commercial film.
3 reasons that make KGF a very special film.
Yash, Prashant Neel,
Director.
Vijay Kirgandur, yeah, director.
Bollywood fans too will enjoy KGF because it has ...
It has that magic which anybody can go into theatre and come out with an imaginary world, or it's a wonderful film. That's all I can say.